So I'm going to assume that you are not going to live forever and that maybe you don't have to make a living as a travel writer. And that's my case. And the reason that's important is because that allows you to go through the back door. I don't query magazines generally first. I query an outfitter in a region where I want to go. For example, I love guest ranches. And so my first query went to a guest ranch because I had articles that were already published in the Horse World and Horse Illustrated and Equus Magazine, and those are impressive credits. So I queried a guest ranch in Telluride and showed them how I had influence in the horse world. And lo and behold, they said yes. They said, come on up. And it was fabulous. It was a trip that I couldn't have possibly afforded myself. It was just wonderful, and I was hooked. So I want you to think about using, unique ways to get to where you want to go. Querying magazines is going to take you a lot of time, a lot of effort, and they don't pay. I think my payment is that I get paid in advance with a fabulous holiday.